Good morning, student. Today morning class in Max. So already we saw the in exercise 2.5 still 12th sum. Now we are going to see about the 13 and 14 the next exercise also. So the 13th sum. So these two sums is practical sum. So already we learned the formulas for AP. So Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is term formula. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So the 13th sum. In a winter season, let us take the temperature of Ooty from Monday to Friday to be in AP. The sum of temperature from Monday to Wednesday is 0 degree Celsius. So this is a first hints of this question. The sum of temperature from Monday to Wednesday is 0 degree Celsius, and the second one, the sum of temperature from Wednesday to Friday is 18 degree Celsius. Find the temperature of each. Find the temperature on each of the 5 days. Each of the 5 days. Each of the 5 days. So come to solution part. Let the temperature from Monday to Friday respectively be a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d comma a plus 4d. So this is general form of AP. General form of AP. So the general form of AP is a series or form. Okay, a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d etc. The given question form on AP only. So we can take these first 5 values here: a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d. Then the first hints and second hints. The first hints, the first 3 days. The first 3 days, Monday to Wednesday. So these three only Monday to Wednesday. The sum of Monday to Wednesday temperature is 0 degree Celsius. So a plus d plus a plus 2d equal to 0 degree Celsius. If we add these values, 3a plus 3d equal to 0. If we divide by 3, a plus d equal to 0. Okay. So the second one, Wednesday to Friday is 18 degree Celsius. So Wednesday to Friday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So these 3 days the value is 18 degree. Then we can add these values, 3a plus 9d equal to 18. If the three numbers divided by a same table, so the three tables, so divided by 3, a plus 3d equal to 6. Okay, a plus 3d equal to 6. So this is value. But we should apply in a value here. So a value, how do you get a value? So a value get from a plus d equal to 0. So a equal to this plus d goes to right hand side minus d. So substitute this place, the a instead of minus d plus 3d equal to 6. So minus d plus 3d, 2d equal to 6. So d equal to 3. So a value is, apply this d value here, a value minus 3. So a value minus 3, d value 3. Apply this temperature, this 5 temperature. So a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d. If you apply this, we get minus 3 degree Celsius the Monday. The next day 0 degree Celsius. Next day meaning Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Thank you, student. The next question. The next question, read a question first. Priya earned rupees 15,000 in the first month. Thereafter, her salary increased by 15,000 per year. The every year Priya earned 15,000 in the first month. Thereafter, her salary increased by 15,000 per year. Her expense are 13,000 during the first year, and the expansion increased by 9,000, 1,500 per year. Okay, so the first month he buy a 15,000. So the second month 15,000 plus 1,500, 16,500. So here also the first month expenses 13,000. The second month 13,900. Okay, every year increased by the expenses 900, 900, 900. The salary increased by 1,500, 1,500, 1,500. So these things given, but what they ask here, how long will it take for her to save? So saving money 20,000 per month, 20,000 per month, not 20,000 per month. How long will it take for her to save 20,000 per month? Okay, so just understand the question. So how long? So how many years if he saves the money? After that we will get the total amount is 20,000. Okay, how many after how many years he will get here 20,000? Okay, that is a question. After how many years? Okay, so how long? So the first of all, salary. This is first year, second year. The salary 15,000 first. Then 1,500 increase in every year. So 16,500. So next also expensive 900. So the second year 13,900. So if we subtraction these two, this is saving money 2,000, 2,600, etc. Surely this is formed in AP. So A equal to 20,000, D equal to 600. So how long it will take her to save 20,000? So that 20 is a last value. So last amount L. Okay, we can take L. So n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. L value 20,000 minus 2,000 by 600 plus 1. So if you subtraction this one and cancel it, we get 30 plus 1. So the year is 31. After 31 years, her saving will be rupees 20,000. So the next chapter, sum of AP. So Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D, or Sn equal to n by 2, a plus L. Okay, so this is sum of AP formula. So next exercise, the first question, find the sum of following. So 3 subdivision is here, 2 only I solved, the second one is homework. So the first one 3, 7, 11 up to 40 terms. Here also see up to 27 terms. So here just give the series only, 6 plus 13 plus 20 plus etc plus 19 7. So what do you understand the first two and third question? So the first question up to 40 terms. So up to meaning we can use this formula, the first formula. Okay, we can use up to. So whenever you see the question having the up to meaning, we can select this formula only, Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So otherwise 6 plus 13 plus 20 plus like this, that 97 is, if it is given, first of all we find n value. So n meaning in which term, the last one. Okay, first of all we find in which place, in which number, we can first of all find that values. Then we can use Sn equal to n by 2 a plus L. Come the first sum, a equal to 3, d equal to the second term minus first term. So 4, 7 minus 3, 4. So here n value 40. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Apply n equal to 40, n equal to 40 by 2, 2, a value 3, n value 40 minus 1, D value 4. 40 minus 1, 39, 4, 2 3s are 6. This is, if we cancel this one, 20. So 26 plus, if you multiply these two, 156, 162. So the answer is 3240. In the same way, you can try to solve this one. Okay, the second one, the third one. So the third one, in center place all are plus value, so series. Okay, the AP series. So first of all, the last place, in which the last place value, the series value meaning 1, the first place, second place, third place, in which place the 97 lying here. First of all, we find this one. So the nth term formula, n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. So A value 6, D value 7, L value 97. So L value 97 minus A value 6 by 7 plus 1. So 91 by 7 plus 1. So 13 plus 1, 14. So this place 14th place. Okay. So then Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L. N value 14 by 2, A value 6 plus L value 97, 7 into 103, 721. So if we add these numbers, we get 721. Okay. The